The people are waiting, Brockheim. Are you going to say something funny?
You mean the usual nonsense?
Yes. Those bits of nonsense are surprising. Double entendres. Wit. Literary humor. You're good.
Look, coming up with this stuff every day isn't as easy as it looks.
Oh, come on, give me a break. You say funny things all day. All you need to do is write them down. Brockheim. No one is funnier than you. No one.
But I'm a serious writer. Doesn't anyone read my reviews?
You call sketching down your grade school crushes and college dates reviews. Now, that's nonsense. I mean, really. Those are amazing stories, but reviews? Besides, what's the deal with all of your girlfriends being named Nancy?
Why, Miss Julia. I wrote about her just last week. I even made a video of it.
There, go ahead, believe what you want. That was Nancy too, if you mean the honey review.
And I worked the product into each review. These are all true stories, you know.
Okay, that's true. I will give you that. But get on with it. Nonsense, Brock. You need 15 of those charming little babies this week.
I'm not a machine. I'm tired. I need a cup of coffee.
Really? You drink too much of that swill. Haven't you ever heard of tea?
The movie software won't let me move to the kitchen, so I'm not having either now, am I?
It is no great help, Brock. You think the kitchen is behind you. The pub is that way, and they don't serve coffee.
I need a break, that's all. Standing in one place. It gets old. I mean, my cat doesn't even move. I am a writer, yet I have no books on my shelves, and I can't even get a drink. What makes it all worse is I'm beige. Always beige.
Why should the beige thing surprise you? You used up all the colors in your writing. All the designers had left was white and grey.
What can I do? I guess I will have to keep doing what I've been doing.
What's that?
Get invisible monkeys to write for me.
You've got to be kidding. Invisible monkeys? I don't see any invisible monkeys.
Of course not. They're in the kitchen. That's why I can't go in there. It's not pretty, but they get the job done.
Fair enough. When will these messy monkeys have the first bits of nonsense ready to go? You need 3 today.
Who can say? Sometimes they write a lot. Other times they just jump around and howl. They keep getting into my coffee stash and sit around drinking double espressos.
I think this monkey business has got to stop. You should be writing these things yourself.
Why? No one pays me. No one clicks on my ads or anything. I'm not seeing the love.
You scheming materialist pig. This is art, Brock. Art? Don't worry about the money. Do you think Michelangelo worried about money when he painted the Sistine Chapel?
That was a paid gig, you know. He was paid for 4 years to paint that thing.
Just the same, Brock, you have deadlines. Monkeys or no monkeys, get it done.
I think I need a new agent.
Oh, come on. There you go again. Deadlines. 3 bits of nonsense are due today. Get going.
All right then, I will. Everyone, I am Brockheim. Please enjoy my bits of nonsense come in 3s. And please see my website brockheim.com for my reviews, coffee thoughts, and buy a mug or t-shirt or something. I have to feed the invisible monkeys, you know. Thanks for watching.